Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the another chapter number 4. The name of the lesson is Wise King Solomon. In this story about a King Solomon. Now let us start now the lesson. First I will read now. King Solomon lived in 3000 years ago and was known for and wide for his wisdom. The King Solomon. King Solomon means ರಾಜನ ಹೆಸರೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೋಲೋಮನ್. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಜ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ರಾಜನ ಹೆಸರು ಸೋಲೋಮನ್. ಹಿ ಲಿವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ 3000 years ago and was known for and wide for his wisdom. Far and wide means over a large area for his wisdom. Wisdom means the quality of a good judgment. Wisdom means ಜ್ಞಾನ. The King Solomon was a very intelligent king. ತುಂಬ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ರಾಜ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಲೋಮನ್. He lived in 3000 years ago. Now, one day the King Solomon was in a meeting with his officers. One day the King Solomon was in meeting with his officers when the sentry announced the arrival of the Queen of Sheba. One day he was a meeting with his officers when the sentry means guard and soldiers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಸೈನಿಕರು. Sentry announced the arrival of the Queen of Sheba. Queen means Rani. She's name is Sheba. The king greeted her and welcomed her. The King Solomon greeted her and welcomed her. Here now look at the picture. She is Queen Sheba. He is King Solomon. The Queen Sheba come to visit the King Solomon palace. Queen Sheba ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಲೋಮನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಲೋಮನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಹೋ ಕಿಂಗ್, she said. The queen said no. Ho king, she said, I have heard much about your wisdom. The queen said no. I have heard much about your wisdom. The Queen Sheba said no. ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ರಾಜ ಅಂತ. She said no. The queen said, I have been told that there is no puzzle. There is no puzzle. Puzzle means anything that is difficult to understand. So difficult that you cannot solve this true. She said no. The Queen Sheba said, It is what people say. The answered Solomon. The Solomon say no. It is what people say. I have here a riddle which I think will test your wisdom. She said no. I have here a riddle which I think will test your wisdom. The queen said, Shall I show it to you? The Queen Sheba said no. Queen Sheba ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನಾನು ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ರಾಜ ಅಂತ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. She said, I think will test your wisdom. The King Solomon's wisdom. The Queen said, Shall I show it to you? The Queen said no. Shall I show it to you? Most certainly, O Queen. The Queen held up a beautiful bouquet of flowers in each hand. The Queen held up a beautiful ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿರೋದು bouquet means bunch of flowers. The in each hand The flowers were so alike that no one could tell them apart. The flowers were so alike. The flowers were very beautiful bouquet of flowers that no one could tell them apart. The flowers bouquet was a same flowers, same bouquet flowers. One of the bouquets, said the queen, is made of flowers plucked from your garden. The Queen Sheba said, no, one of the bouquet flowers is plucked from your garden. One is made of a, plucked means picked from your garden. Your means the King Solomon's garden flower ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಬೊಕೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಲಮನ್ಸ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್, the other is made of a artificial flowers. One is made of a plucked from your garden. In another one is made of a artificial flowers. Artificial means fake flowers, not real flowers. ಒಂದು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಲಮನ್ಸ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್, ಫೇಕ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ flowers. The created by a talented artist. Tell me, O king, which of the flowers are real? The queen said, no, the one is made of a flowers plucked from your garden, picked from the Solomon's garden flowers. In another one is created by the talented artist in made of a artificial flowers. ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಲೋಮನ್ಸ್ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್. ದ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಲೋಮನ್, ಹೋ ಕಿಂಗ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲ್? ದ ಕ್ವೀನ್, here now look at the pictures. The Queen Sheba held up a among these two flowers in right hand and left hand. The right hand flowers and left hand flowers are so differences between them, look like a same flowers. ಎರಡು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್, ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಯಲ್ಲು ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಸೇಮ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್. ಅಮಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ flowers, no differences between them. The Queen Sheba asked the King Solomon, O king, which of the flowers are real? The which flowers are real and which flowers are not real. For once the king was puzzled, he looked at the flowers. The King Solomon looked at the flowers closely but could see no differences between them. He looked the then flower bouquets, no, right hand and left hand flowers. He looked at, the King Solomon's looked at in closely but no differences between them. He bit his lips. The King Solomon's bit his lips. The which are the real flowers? The queen asked again. Again asked Queen Sheba, which are the real flowers? ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಶಿಬಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಯಾವ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸು ರಿಯಲ್ಲು ಯಾವುದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಶಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಲೋಮನ್. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಲೋಮನ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. He was deep in a thought. Then an idea struck him. He remembered seeing bees sitting on flowers in the vases. He remembered that seeing bees sitting on the flowers. Bees means ಜೇನುಹುಳುಗಳು. ಜೇನುಹುಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. Bees sitting on the flowers in the vases. King Solomon said, no, open all the windows. He added, the King Solomon's added, open all the windows. As soon as windows were opened, some bees flew into the room. They buzzed here and there and then flew to where the queen stood with the bouquet in her hands. The King Solomon ordered the guards to open all the windows. As soon as the windows were opened, some bees flew into the room. All the bees gathered on the flowers in the queen's right hand. Not one of them so much as looked at those in her left hand. All the bees gathered. Gathered means collected, come together in a group of bees on the flowers in the queen's right hand. Here now look at the pictures. Here now right hand flowers and left hand flowers. All the bees come to gathered on the flowers in the queen's right hand. All the bees are sitting on the right hand. Because why? The queen's right hand flowers is real flowers. All the bees sitting on the queen's right hand flowers. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೀಸ್ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರ್ತವೆ? ಕ್ವೀನ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಕೂರಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ ಬೀಸ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ವೀನ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನೋ one of them so much has looked at those in her left hand. No one come to sit in the left hand. Why? Because this is a fake flowers. All the bees sitting on the queen's right hand. This is real flower. Ella real flower ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂರ್ತವೆ. Left hand flowers is a fake flowers. No one sitting on the left hand flowers. "O Queen," said Solomon, "the bees have given you my answer." The King Solomon said, "No, the bees have given you my answer." The Queen Sheba said, "You are a wise King Solomon. You are a wise King Solomon. You gather knowledge. You are a very intelligent. You gather knowledge, and from the little things, little means from small things, which are unnoticed by most people. Which are unnoticed by most people. Unnoticed means unseen by most people." The Queen Sheba is appreciate the king. The King Solomon is solve the problem. And in this story of a King Solomon, and okay children, you read this lesson and learn and write now, underline words, keep learning.